Hello guys, so welcome back again to my channel. Today na good news. Today na good news. Yes, ask me what is about it. What is about that good news? It's all about Omoyele Sowore. That one not be good news. They say they don't free at last, so I saw news talk. They say they don't free, and let's hope say the way they talk am they go do am like that, in the sense that the freedom wey they give am, as I take do my own research, the way I take see am, they give am with condition. Will not be say they just free and say everything don just finish for there. We never know how they go take round up everything at last. Una know the oga on top when e dey now. Una know how e no take dey respect the rules of court order, even though say court talk say na so dem want am, im go talk use the power talk say na like that, na like this na im want am. Nobody go fit follow am drag, and una know say na Nigeria now na almost like a military regime na we dey. So according to the news, they talk say Omoyele Sowore they don free am the day before yesterday, and they say on some conditions say e go leave international passport, which means maybe dem dey fear say if dem free am, dem never free am totally, dem still get other things. But I pray make e no be like that. So e have to drop international passport so that e no go fit maybe dem dey feel say e go run comot or something like that. So e don drop finally e don respect their word, wetin dem talk. He don do am like that with the lawyer. I still say a very big thank you to the lawyer wey still stand by am, because na very good lawyer. Na a hand of applause to you, Mr. Falana. Na him really work on the thing. So I hope all the things go just still come perfectly as they don start, and God when he don start the work he go finish am. Excuse me. Omoyele Sowore no dey fight for im interest o, na the interest of all Nigerians na im dey fight for. He say enough is enough, because of say the way all these politicians they don do us, e don too much. They say if sand don too much for food, even blind person go know. So he come now, come open everybody eye. Na be the fight and the struggle when e dey. He no really dey say because na im own interest, because no be person wey be say hungry dey kill. If you look a background, that is look a life and the things wey concern am, no be person wey be say dey beg food dey eat, e dey okay. And not be say na super rich, but e dey okay. E no be say e really need something wey be say e wan die for hungry, or na for im own interest. The way wey me I see things, na for the interest of all of us, interest of me and you, all Nigerians. So na im make am in dey fight this struggle. So we need to cooperate on this issue, so that we go get that freedom when he ask for us at last. Because the way I dey look things now, our oga on top, if he don talk say na so he want something, that man, I don't know how I want to talk am o, our oga on top and the gang. So we no know the way they take dey run Nigeria, the way that they push Nigeria up and down. So I believe say one day all these things e go end. So wetin make dem really even arrest am the first time, me I no know. Because for me I no say na arrest be that o, because the way they take carry am, that one be like when they kidnap person. That one no be arrest, no be so they arrest person. That one be like they kidnap am, they hide come for night. It's something. It look strange somehow. Many things, other things still dey Nigeria now when even dey happen when our youth that they protest up and down. I even hear some few days back say that they protest against Bobrisky, say Bobrisky na problem of Nigeria, this one, that one. Bobrisky when they protest for me I don't see any reason why they really dey protest. Because why? Not be say no be good thing they do, don't get me wrong. Not be say no be good thing our youth they do to protest. But I say it's of no use, in the sense that people when be say na dem put law, say man when they like man, woman when they like woman, say if they against our constitution, say they catch the person go kirikiri. They don't take am to be anything. They don't look and say Bobrisky they do anything for Nigeria. Why the person when be say they fight legal fight, when be say the struggles of all the citizens of Nigeria, so that we go get one voice. Now that one that the tag name put for a body, now they go arrest am, which is Sowore. People when they around when they suppose arrest, they know they arrest them, in the sense that many people say not be Bobrisky be the problem of Nigeria. Now say many other problem they make them leave Bobrisky for one side. Yes, that is true, but Bobrisky is not the problem of Nigeria, but it's one of the problem of Nigeria. Ask me why. Then talk say if wood fall on top of wood, now the one wey dey on top, now they fair they carry comot. Bobrisky don influence our youth different in different way. We get different problem for Nigeria. We get rural settlement, we get Fulani problem, we get political problem, we get economic different thing. Even the facilities for Nigeria, none of them dey work. All those one are problem. But if Bobrisky come still carry im own join, that is how he wan take carry im own join. That is, he come still recruit the whole youth when e dey for Nigeria, when dem see say the way all these things facilities when e dey Nigeria now, nothing dey work. All the system of Nigeria, all of them are zero. Then they come see say they no go. And most of them go won't be like Bobrisky now, because Bobrisky now, almost all the celebrities, all the people when they for Nigeria, they celebrate, and so everybody want to be celebrated. So they will take his lifestyle, they go take his step, they will come be like him. Before you know it, the whole youth they will come be like Bobrisky. You come become Bobrisky kingdom. So you see how it's a big problem to Nigeria, because all the things when Bobrisky they do till now, when e be say they show money, they buy car, they do different things, who they take all those things they entice? Yes, because he won't win. So for me, Bobrisky na agent too, na agent from the kingdom of darkness, because he get mission when he come do. So for me now, that one I see. Now you see, I say na big problem for Nigeria, because if they don't tackle this thing now, though the something don't they go late, if they don't tackle this thing now, before you know it, it go spread like wildfire, because you don't already get some people when you don't recruit, don't get some kind small children when they don't they follow. So the thing when me I see for here be say, why that they are protest I talk say e not to hold ground, because people when they put the law, they know say this thing when they put it they against their law, and they look and when they do anything. Bobrisky not get anytime when he hide himself. He not get anytime when he do anything hide. He they act film, they go out. The whole celebrity they be friend, they kiss, they carry hand here and there. You want tell me say the government when they put the law, they know they see and they know they see am for social media, they know they see am physically. Bobrisky not they hide himself anyway. So they know all these things. So for me, I believe say the government say they put this law, but Bobrisky is above the law. Now he make they know they do anything. Yes, it's above the law, because if you know they above the law, not be only be the person when he get this style when they live for Nigeria, man when they like man. Many other people they do and hide for Nigeria. They don't even let you know. Some even get wives, some get girlfriend when it be say they don't feel know because of the law when he did that they fear that they hide themselves. But Bobrisky now they bring himself come out, you know they fear. Why? Because people they want they back and up, and the people when back and up, I believe say now the people when still put the law. Now then and say go boy, go girl, nothing they happen, we dey your back, we stand with you gidigba. So now so I see the things. So the one when they not when they suppose handle, they not go handle. The one they suppose tackle, they not go tackle. Now the one it be say it they go in on, when it be say it they do normal things, when he want to help the whole citizens, when he want to systemize things, make things come to normal the way it's supposed to be. Now that one now they run follow. Showore now in the interest of everybody now they fight for, not be only for the interest of not be own personal interest, not be they fight for. It won't make all of us get freedom. It won't make all of us they live normal as human beings supposed to they live, not the way our guy on top they run us up and down, so they do us like say we be slave. They say we don't free. I don't see the way person take free like this. So because the time when we even there with when we dey under colonial people, we don't see, I not to see any difference when it dey like that. The only thing difference we say maybe person fit dress, or I don't know, no freedom of speech, you no fit waka, you no fit do this one, no security, nothing. So wetin be the freedom when e dey for them? Na only military regime now with the experience for this Nigeria the way I see am. So na that one my people I say make I still share with you now. Say na good news say they don release our brother Omoyele Sowore. Make we still join hand together, make we still pray well so that the something go perfect finish because you know say this man now bubu, they no dey predict the word. As they talk am now they give am some conditions now. We never know the kind way when they go take handle that condition. May not come be say tomorrow now they will come still dey do am guruguru, because now no Nigeria na so now. Now don't see as Ezeki and different people when court don grant this thing. See the way our guy on top take and handle am. So we pray this our brother Omoyele Sowore no go be like that to hand, so that they go grant everything go peacefully, so that he go suffer still go see his family for yonder here. So my people, now that one say make I just quickly share with you now today video now, so I will take roll up for here. So next time maybe I will still give you more update or other things when we say we still need to discuss one I will still gain something from. So now here I will roll up my video today, guys. So I say have a blessed day. If you have not subscribed to this channel, today is the perfect day for you to do that, and don't waste your time to hit the subscription button and the notification bell when you just near am, so that anytime when I put new video you will get updates. So my people, have a blessed day and remain blessed. Bye bye.